What's the meaning of corvette? Corvette. Corvette.
Corvette. Corvette. A corvette is a small, fast, and maneuverable naval ship that is typically used for patrol and escort duties. The term originated in 17th century France, where it referred to a small sailing warship with a single deck and a few guns. Over time, the definition evolved to encompass a wide range of vessels used for various purposes. Today, corvettes are often used in coastal defense and anti-submarine warfare, and are designed to operate in shallow waters. They are typically armed with a variety of weaponry, including missiles, torpedoes, and guns.